Hi, what are you guys doing? Ba't gising pa kayo? Hmm? Waited for me or may kabebe time pa kayo na? We. I'm up because I'm not down. Ay, wow. Sabi kayo, support naman kayo sa joke ko. Pwede kaya na for an hour and 30. I just do audio and no video. Mapapagalitan kaya ako ng Kumu. I just wanna, do late night talks. Hoy, grabe kayo, iban. Yeah, I just wanna do podcast vibes and, chika-chika, late night talks. Ganun. Hello, everybody. Hi. 203 people. No, my mom and my brother just flew in here for a day to check in on me. They're gonna come back again. Yeah. They went home. Joke lang. I'm just reading your comments. Hello. Hello, hello. What is keeping you up this late, everybody? What is keeping you up this late? Sus, yung ikaw-ikaw nyo, pag-sure mo diha. Sino man na mga nakabebe time nyo, ha? Watching a movie. Hello, yeah, the crochet. I tried it. It's mentally thin, but thank God it's stretchable. But I will see if like I can wear it to somewhere. It's so cute though. Pero sobrang ano, like revealing. Hindi ako sanay na ano. No. Hi, 206. Hi. Hi. Hello. Late night talks. Ano usually yung mga topics sa mga late night talks? Magsalita, magingay, mga may kabebe talks. Ano usually mga topic nyo? Pag ano? Yee. Ano usually mga topic nyo sa mga ano, yung may mga bebe talks? Existential crisis joke? Totoo bang alien? Breakup yung topic. Mamahalin mo pa ba ako kahit langgam ako, mga gano'n, eme. Friendship over topics? Asteroids? Ayan na. Lumalalim na yung mga topic. It's either 'pag mga ganitong oras 'no, it's either ano, if not weird topics, yung ano, yung mga super deep topics. Delulu hours. Bakit naman delulu? If you ask me about Travis and Taylor, the answer will always be yes. I'm the biggest shipper of them lately. I've seen their photos, I've seen their videos. I now know what it's like to be a president of a shipper. Yeah, I know about ano, yung recent date nila na they went to a restaurant tapos ano, yung may mga photos and videos na nasa ano, Rolls Royce ni Travis, oh, 'di ba? Tell me you're updated without telling me you're updated. No, 'di ba? Tas yung kiss sa ano, sa cheeks. So cute! I've never seen Taylor like that. Baka gano'n siya sa iba, but I have never seen her like that. That's the first time I saw her kiss someone on the cheek. Na with friends. Yeah, in public. Kasi I know I've seen her, but like yung sila lang dalawa. But like in public, no, I haven't. That's the first time. Yeah, yung binigyan siya ng shoes daw sa mga friends ni Travis. That's so cute. But it shows how healthy the circle of Travis is. Kasi they're so welcoming. Lately, I'm so LSS with ano, her song Lover. Even if it's for Joe, but wala lang. Parang it's gives me the feels. Parang it's like that song is parang pang wedding song na walking on the alam mo yun, sa church. Ewan ko lang, yun lang yung feels. Yeah, let's go Taylor's boyfriend. So cute. Yeah, I actually joined the campaign. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It is. I joined. Hala, sana ba yun? I think it was this one. Lover, where you go? Can we always be this close forever? I'm here. Hindi ako nawala. Do I listen to New Heights podcast? Yes, because ever since we became together, I kept listening to it. Yeah, Wyatt is so cute. Uncle Trevor. Cute, no? Cute, no? They're so cute. I wanna have a niece or nephew na, like from my brother. I don't know. Niece ba tawag niyan? Pag when your brother gets has a kid na. Yeah. I feel like if may anak na yung brother ko, that is the time when I get to be an official tita. I'm excited. I'm so excited for my brother na if in the future may anak na. Because I, for sure, I'm confident and I know that I will be the tita who spoils their niece or nephew. Tita Aya real. Yeah. I will make sure if may anak na yung kuya ko, I will be the favorite tita. And I will be like the tita na sobrang may effort na kahit anong gagawin. Spoil lahat, ganon-ganon. Thank you, Tita Bloom. Oh, rinig niyo yun? That was my Guys, do you hear this? Look, look. Oh my god, so satisfying. Rinig niyo yun? So satisfying. This one, this one. Oh my god. This one, this one. Oh my god. Slay. ASMR Cairo. I am my own chiropractor, guys. As in. No, it's not masakit. I crack my own It's my back and my neck. Ears? Paano ba i-crack yung ears? How do you even crack your ears? Pingot? What's pingot? Lower part ng thumb, kaya mo? Yes. Hear it. Look. Ay, here. Look. Bakit look? Here. Look, look. I mean, here. Ah! So slay. Isa pa, isa pa. Slay. Ito. I'm so sorry. My life is so weird. But yeah. Super crunch. Mhm. Therapeutic. Oh, pingot is pinch na malala. Campaign jingle. Ayun, na-submit ko na. Napakita ko na sa inyo, 'di ba? My campaign jingle starring Maloy as my model for the video version. Guys, ask me questions. Let's talk about stuff. How am I feeling at the moment? I am I am me. Surviving. Oh yeah, after Bacolod. Yeah, I have been yeah, I wasn't feeling well. Even like the start of the day when we were in Bacolod, I wasn't feeling okay na actually kasi I was on my period, okay? And then yeah, and usually kasi when I'm on my period, sobrang ano talaga, I feel so under the weather. And so for reference, I don't really like taking medicine unless if it's super, super painful. So that time, it was really like painful na. And sobrang nahilo ako, ganun. And as in, sobrang parang every time parang gusto ko na lang matulog. Kasi para hindi ko ma-feel yung sakit kahit nag-medicine ako, gano'n, gano'n. Tapos grabe yung sa Bacolod din kasi parang sa lahat ng mga na-perform namin, yun yung pinakaano, mahaba na 9 songs. Kasi usually 6 songs or 7 yata, I don't know if we tried 7 or 6. So yun, after nun I puked. Actually, after the performance, I don't feel well na. Tapos parang I tried to hold it in, tinry ko na hindi sumuka, gano'n, gano'n. Like, I kept drinking water para parang ma-push down, gano'n, gano'n. Ma-wash out hopefully. But then when we were about to go na, ayun, napansin ni Coach Mickey na parang, "Are you okay?" Tapos sabi ko, "Coach, I don't feel well." Kasi I feel like puking. Kasi yun, ayoko kasi sumuka. Tapos I was like thinking of, asan ba ako puwede makasuka, gano'n, gano'n. I also asked if may ano ba, may CR or may portalet, tapos wala daw. So parang, "Oh, shucks, paano ba 'to?" Ayun, tapos we saw a box sa corner, tapos sabi ni Coach Mickey, "Ano, suka ka here or you ano lang, kasi if 'di ko kaya daw suka na lang here." Tapos we let everybody out, tapos ayun. As hindi ko na kaya, may mga hindi, buti wala naman masyadong tao kasi lumabas na yung girls. So Ayun, natira is si Coach, si si Mika, and I think Ate Jo's din, gano'n. And may isa or dalawang staff. So, hindi tumakbo na talaga ako sa corner sa may box, sumuka ako. Hindi talaga kaya kasi nahilo din ako. Tsaka ano, I think not just because I was on my period, I feel like it has to do with my eyes or something. Kasi I remember when we performed in Pampanga, after that, as in, parang nahimatay or something na like, yung paningin ko is white, gano'n. Like everything was blurry and white, gano'n, sa my eyes. Yeah. Sobrang nahiya ako nun. Parang nag-hesitate pa ako kasi tinatanong ako ni Coach Miguel, "Ano, suka ka na, hindi? Suka ka, ano, hindi?" Ako parang, ta's hanggang tumakbo na ako ta's sobrang nakakahiya. Kasi ayoko talaga sumuka in public, I hate that. Tapos yun, kasi naisip ko din na parang, "Hala, shocks, what if masuka ako sa van or sa hotel, eh, di mas nakakahiya." So, sabi ko talaga, "Sige na nga, suka na ako dito." Hoy, binuang. May nagsabi nga buntis daw ako, binuang, grabe naman. Hindi na nga ako ano, I'm not feeling well na nga. But feeling ko talaga ano din, I haven't 'di pa ako nagpa-check sa mata ko, sa katawan ko. But yeah, ganun, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Kasi every time talaga 'pag meron ako, so especially 'pag first or second day, sobrang lala na, as in nahihimatay ako, gano'n. I'm so scared. Kasi alam mo yung parang example, you're not feeling well na nga tapos 'pag magpa-check ka, hala, samot hindi ka feeling well. Scared baka mas ano, mag-anxiety attack pa ako if I find out something. Yeah, gano'n ba basta mata, nauseous or something? Kasi nahilo ako minsan sa lights. 'Di ba mas nakakatakot 'pag example malaman mo yung result mo tapos marami pang sakit, oh, 'di ba parang, ewan ko din if malabo na ba 'tong mata ko or I don't know, or bata-bata walang matakot sa dilim. Thank you, Tita Bloom, for the cash cash. Minsan din may times na if the light is too bright, ayun nagshi-shades ako kasi hindi sa pa-cool pero kasi masakit yung mata. Minsan yun, may times na 'pag sa training biglang nagti-trigger yung mata ko na parang biglang sumasakit na lang tapos parang ang sakit sa mata. Tas random lang, takot talaga ako. Baka vertigo, my mom has vertigo. And then sabi na nila Jo and Colette yung mom nila is may vertigo din, and then parang genetics yung vertigo, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa mama ko, "Ma, feeling ko dahil 'to sa'yo, eh, may vertigo ka kasi." Ikaw pala salarin, ah. Sinisi. Huh? What's photophobia? Minsan I feel lightheaded 'pag ano, bright light. Why do you wanna see me? I look horrible. I look horrible today. Char. Char. Kayo, ha? You're so mambobola, ha? Ayaw niyo ba na boses lang? Do you guys not wanna hear my voice? Huh? What's being odd? Yeah, this is my last live. Last live for this month. Ano? Naniwala ka po ba sa alien? Yes. Ang daming mukhang alien in this world. Charot! Do I delete messages to avoid rereading them? No, I just don't read stuff that triggers me, or you know, if I know na if just it's just gonna trigger me or something bad, then I don't read it if alam ko naman. Don't worry guys about the alien thing. I'm also part of mukha din akong alien especially 'pag umaga. Yeah. Anong planet gusto ko mapuntahan? Sun. Bakit? Eh, di sa ano na lang, sa Pluto. Saang planet? Ewan ko, sa'yo, sa mundo mo. Wow! Sa planet mo, char! Yuck. Riz. Riz. Ayoko sige magpakita ako pero last few minutes. I look horrible tonight. I look horrible. If I discover a planet, anong pangalan? Ling. Wala lang. To honor Ling. Wala lang, Planet Ling. Ang iconic ng name ni Ling, wala lang. How is Lingy? Ayun pa rin sa Golero. Kahit pinipigilan nila, wala talaga. Yun talaga yung life niya. Minsan nag-aano kami ng nag-video call. And then whenever he hears my voice, sobrang nagme-meow siya. Tapos hinahanap niya boses ko. Nangungumusta ba si Ling sa'kin? Oo, minsan bumibisita siya dito, in my dreams, charot. Hayop pa rin ba si Ling? Ay naku, hayop talaga yan si Ling. Hayop yan si Ling. Legit, literal. Ling, hayop ka. Literally. Animal. Yes, si Ling ay animal. Totoo naman. Bakit? Tao ba si Ling? Hindi, kasi animal man si Ling, oy. Totoo naman, Yeah. Sabi daw ni Mika, magbe-birthday si Haru, magpa-party pa yan. Tapos kung si Ling, parang wala lang. Ever since nagkaroon kami ni Ling 'no, tapos nagkanya-kanya na ng lugar, may mga kanya-kanya na silang pusa. Tapos nung si Ling, Diyos ko, guys alam niyo ba may one time, nakita ko sa lalagyanan ng food ni Ling, may nagpakain ng isang malaking slice na pizza, ewan ko sino naglagay nun. Feeling ko napagod na kay Ling kasi kakahingi ng pagkain, binigyan ng isang malaking slice ng pizza. Takaw kasi ni Ling. As in, yun yung concern nila mama. Kasi sabi nila na daw, example, isi-feed pa lang yung dogs, siya na nakaabang tapos parang siya yung kakain kasi 'pag nilagyan na ng food unahan, niya yung mga dogs tapos 'pag ano, example kakain yung mga dogs tapos may aalis lang saglit, siya uubos. Pero hindi pa niya yun meal, para sa dogs yun. So, after that, ayun, ifi-feed na nila sila, eh, mauubos niya agad tapos hihingi ulit siya ng food. Grabe. Oo, kaya nung bata siya na-empacho siya. Ewan ko sa kanya. Sobrang natawa talaga ako nun, sabi ko, "Sino ba kasi naglagay ng pingit sa aling? Kaya na-empacho yung pusang 'to." As in sobrang malaking slice ng pizza. Ewan ko sino yung ano, yung gano'n, sa'min. Baka si Jo. Si Sheena, si Jo, ewan ko. Tapos ano, so si Jo, lagi niya kasing inaaway si Ling, like ginugulo niya si Ling. Tapos alam niyo 'pag natutulog si Jo, may time kasi na kami ni Joanna tutulog sa baba sa couch, dalawa kasi yung couch sa living room sa Beanie House. Tapos, so mauuna lagi matulog si Jo. Tapos nakikita ko talaga na laging inaano, parang anong tawag dun, sinisipa ni Ling yung alam mo yung 'pag anong tawag yung, yung hyper, anong tawag niyan? 'Pag hyper yung animal, what's that? Zoomies, oo, 'pag nagzo-zoomies kasi, so, tumatakbo, tumatalon si Ling, ta's tinatalunan niya yung mukha, as in literal mukha, yun ni Jo. As in pero ako hindi naman siya gano'n sa'kin. I mean, natural na kumakagat si Ling kasi gano'n kasi siya, parang yun yung love language ni Ling. Pero si Joe kasi tinatalunan niya talaga yung mukha, as in literal na mukha niya. Yung paa niya gano'n, inaano niya, like alam mo yung from malayo tapos biglang tumatalon sa mukha niya. Oo, ayun kasi, si Joe naman kasi inaano si Ling, ayan tuloy. Oo, literal parang ginawang trampoline. Yung paa inaano sa mukha, grabe. Sinong may mga pusa sa inyo? Who was a cat? Ooh, dami palang may pusa, mga cat people. Sino naman sa inyo may aso? Ooh, wow, 5 cats. 2. Manlilanso yung bahay. Alam niyo ba guys, um, I used to have 4 chicks, 4 rabbits, 2 cats, and then 3 dogs before sa bahay. Parang ano, parang zoo. Tapos 'pag pauwi kami, ang daming sumasalubong. May aso, may pusa, may rabbit, may chick, o 'di ba? Pero yung ending, namatay yung rabbits. Pero hindi siya ano, 4 agad na rabbit, parang 2 muna tapos namatay yung 2, tapos another 2, tapos namatay yung 2. Yeah, kasi parang nagpo-poop tapos yung isa nagbi-bleed yung nose. Tapos yung next 2 is namatay lang bigla tapos inamag na, biglaan, as in. Tapos puro less than 2 weeks lang sila namatay agad. Tapos yung chicks ko naman sobrang ano na sila, palaki na gano'n. Tapos biglang yung ano, yung isa na-share ko na 'to, eh. Basta yung isa inano ng pusa namin tapos ayun naging ulam. Tapos yung isa ano, sobrang laki na tapos sabi nila ano, gawin na nating ulam, eh, ginawang ulam. Kasi sabi daw nila na ano, pag-aantayin pa na lumaki, eh, matigas na daw, eh, ayun ginawa ng ulam agad. Nakaka-guilty tuloy, alam mo yung parang bine-baby talk mo pa yung mga ano mo, alaga mo, tapos the next day, wala na, nasa tiyan mo na. Hmm, ano ba talaga, so nakaka-guilty. Eh, wala naman akong choice kung di kumain siyempre. Kahit wala akong gana, alam mo yung bine-baby talk mo pa yung mga alaga mo. Hinahag-hag mo pa tapos the next day wala na, sabaw tsaka ano na. Tinola, oo, naging tinola na. Grabe talaga. Nakakita na kayo kung paano yung ano guys, yung eletsyon? Ako nung nasa ano, bahay ako ng lola ko. Kasi ang daming mga may babuyan kasi tapos laging nata-timing na umuuwi kami 'pag around fiesta na, gano'n. So, ayun nakikita ko lagi paano inaano nila yung baboy. Sobrang ingay pa naman. Pero, ang sarap din ng lechon pero nakakaawa. 'Di ba? Bata pa ako no'n sobrang parang, oh my God, my eyes. Grabe. Uy, sorry baka may mga ma-trigger dito mga vegan pala, I'm so sorry but yeah, I do feel guilty. Thank you Ate Angie for the cash sticker. Meron bang vegan dito? Comment. Meron ba? Meron ba vegan dito? Yeah, I do eat dinuguan. Huli ba? Meron ba? Parang ang mahal maging ano 'no, maging vegan. Kasi ano ba, parang mahal ng healthy choices kaya most people instead na gusto sana nila maging healthy, they opt for ano na lang, yung meat option. Yeah, kasi wala masyadong options for vegan and then if meron man kaya mahal kasi hindi siya ano, in demand. And then, ayun, hindi siya, parang it's rare. Not really rare, but like not super ano lang, common. Kaya minamahal. Yeah, sa mga gusto mag-leave na, it's all good. Good night, guys. Hoy! May nagtanong sino daw nakakain na ng aso. Hoy, wag! Grabe naman. No, no, no. Sa lahat, no! Why would you ever eat a dog? Although I've heard someone say now they have eaten a dog, but no! Why would you do that? No, that's very unethical. Never ever in my life would I ever eat a dog. Huy, unggoy pag sure diha. Kamo murag unggoy. Unsa good mo? Ang mga mukhaon og unggoy kay mao inaong og unggoy. Hoy, grabe. Ha? Sino nakalunok ng lamok accidentally? What? Ano? Pag ba malunok mo yung lamok, magka-dengue ka ba? Magkaka-dengue ka ba pag malunok mo accidentally? Yak, langaw. Pero na-try ko guys, naka-drink ako ng drink before tapos watermelon siya. Akala ko yung tawag dun? Akala ko kasi yung liso ba? Yung buto. Akala ko buto siya kasi black. Tapos nung ubos na siya, dun ko pa nakita gumagalaw tapos tumutugtog gumaganon siya, gumaganon siya. So, ta's dun ko na-realize, ang sarap ng watermelon, naubos ko na pero merong langaw. Ay, it's okay, we need ang tawag dun, bad vitamins. Charot, joke. Bad bacteria, bad vitamins, bad bacteria. Yun. Change topic daw, favorite cotton candy flavor. May flavor ba yan? Alam ko color lang eh. Buah. Eh. I like horrible. Okay, yun na. Yun na yung hinihingi nyo noon, Cam. Bye-bye. Masakit kasi mata ko. Hehe. Grabe lately talaga, ang bilis sumakit ng mata ko. Hindi, 'pag nagpo-phone ako sobrang low ng brightness ko, eh. Or I feel like I need to get my brain checked. Uy, ba't gising pa kayo 1992 people, ha? Why are you still awake? Work? Can't sleep. Why can't you sleep? What's been keeping your mind up? You usually sleep at 3 AM. Actually ako lately sobrang putol-putol lagi yung tulog ko. Like I wake up, ewan ko random minsan nakakatulog ako 10, minsan 11, minsan 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, anytime. Minsan 4, tapos putol-putol. Example, let's say I sleep 10, nagigising ng 12, nagigising ng 2, nagigising ng 4, nagigising ng 5. Yeah, yeah, it's insomnia girlies, hello. I even tried sleeping 6 tapos may class pa ako 8. But it's just I can't sleep. Yeah, like may times na kahit nakahiga na lang ako sa floor, nakatulala, wala. Yeah, my brain is dead. Ewan ko ba, bakit ganito? Yeah. Yeah, ewan ko, feeling ko I've tried no, I don't drink coffee nga, eh. I drink coffee rarely. Like, if example, mag-order ng coffee, like, example, Starbucks, ganun. Yung in-order ko lagi is lang, like, matcha or parang yung mga parfait, something. Have I tried taking melatonin? Yes, I have. But I'm not really like the type to to drink medicine. If ever drink ako ng medicine, yun na yung pinakamalala na talaga na di ko na kaya. Yeah, I really don't wanna be dependent with like using with drinking meds. Yeah, ko may sira na talaga sa sa utak ko, ewan ko ba ba't ganito ako. Yeah, that's what I'm scared of. Waking up groggy after melatonin. Warm milk? Yung boses mo ngayon parang yung kumanta ka ng Royals. Really? Why? What about my voice right now? How do you stop overthinking, guys? You don't think, but how? Ah. Huwag mag-isip. Guys, there was a time, no joke, I slept to I slept dahil nakatulog ako listening to Taylor Swift songs, and then I woke up and then it was still playing. Yeah, true. I have a question, guys. How do you guys um how do you cope up with stress? Like, what are some things you do to help ease your mind? Like, do you guys go on walks? You sleep? Do you do arts? Oh, gaming, sleeping, going out, exercise, journal, watching us. Sure ba kayo? Di ba kayo mas mabubuang? Ang gulo pa naman namin minsan. Binge watching. I my plan actually next year is to keep traveling alone. Yeah. I just want to explore the world. Kasi parang, for me, like traveling, it feels like I'm healing my inner kid. That kid in me who wants to just explore stuff and just be out. Kasi like when I was a kid, I really just wanna go out and, explore, ganon ganon. And while I still have the energy to travel, and because walang masyadong responsibility pa. 'Di ba parang sino ba dito mga mahilig mag-travel mag-isa? Kasi parang when I do things alone, like when I travel, I jog alone, I exercise, I just do stuff alone. Like, I mean, lately I've been doing things on my own because I mean, ako lang naman isa nakatira, ganun, ganun. But like, yung other than the routine-based things, like example, doing something that it's not really like a normal part of my routine, that's when I feel free and that's when I feel like I'm healing a part of me and my inner kid, you know. Like yung pag-travel alone, or like going out, meeting people, like alone. Kasi iba yung pag-example nasa social gathering ka and then, you meet people. Iba yung ikaw lang mag-isa talaga and then, wala. Yun. Yung parang your own discovery. Mahigpit ba parents ko sa akin dati? Yeah. I actually had a rebel phase because like, parang, kasi strict nga yung parents ko so parang I have to rebel for them to, be complacent na I can do this and that. But like, you know what I realized? Totoo nga talaga yung sinasabi nila. When the stricter the parents are, the more rebellious the kid is. And ako, if ever I have a kid in the future, I don't wanna be, alam mo yung, well, hopefully ma-achieve ko siya, but I wanna be like, yung may boundary lang and may boundaries and pero yung pwede pa rin makachika, in terms of secrets, gano'n, gano'n. Kasi I mean, I don't wanna, because the more kasi you control someone, the more they don't wanna be controlled and do things na, that sets them apart from you. So you just gotta let people be and then let them show their own colors. And then maybe that's when you can blend your color to their colors. Yeah, my individuality pa rin, ganun. Because like, we are all born in this world because, you know, we can to be just us, be ourselves. Parang hirap na minsan parang are we just born this world because may utang na loob tayo agad na this is what you have to do, this is what we should do. Parang there's no freedom. But yeah, right now, naman, my parents are very cool with everything. And kasi, I mean, I really kept telling them na the things I do, hindi naman talaga, I don't want to sabotage my life. I don't want to, just, I, of course, I want to have a good life. Ayun. But not gonna lie, I do have some times wherein I have like those sabotage phase na parang I know I could be a better person. I know I could do this and be better and just, be my best state. But like when it's really hard when you're just not, like you can't even function to be best. Like surviving is enough for you. Ayun. But yeah, I'm good thing we have established lately a very open and um transparent relationship with my parents na in times na gano'n na in my sabotaging moments or phase, I tell them about it and then ayun, they're there to help me. Ayun. Hmm, what do you mean yung mga gano'ng bagay? Like which one? I was just short. They went here. Buti wala akong rest day namin and then ano, online lang yung class ko that time. And then, yeah, I got to spend time with them and they got to help me with my stuff here. It feels so nice. Parang that time when they visited me, um, it was actually very lang, last minute kasi they really wanna, fly here to see me, check in on me, and help me with some stuff. Yeah, feels nice na kasi it's been such a long time na parang I experienced na someone helping me with stuff. Like, I mean, no, there are mga people naman that are helpful, pero alam mo yung parang, you know, I'll do this for you. I'll clean this up for you. Like, you gotta rest. I'll do this for you. Parang ganun. Not because you ask them na, can you help me with this? Like, yung parang, because they know you really need help. We have to go there and we'll help you. Ayun. Yeah, yung kusa. That's when you know the help is genuine. That's why like they flew in here, even if it's just ano lang, 2 days lang. And yung parang ac- kahit may mga rest days kami, pero yun yung na-feel ko na, oh my God, nakapag-rest ako. Kasi parang ayun, sila yung nagkusang tumulong sa pag-ayos ng gamit ko, paglinis, ganun. Like, that's what I needed. That's what I needed. As in yun. Kasi pag may rest day ako, I mean, rest day, pero kailangan ko pa rin gawin 'to, ganyan, ganyan. Like, ako pa rin gagawa. Parang, na-miss ko 'to, yung parang rest day talaga. Yeah, as in, ayun, like we bought cabinets. I remember like we went to IKEA kasi tapos bumili ng cabinet, ng mga need ng para sa bahay. Tapos yung tipong parang na-miss ko yung kasi they went here first and they checked my place. Tapos when we went to IKEA, parang sabi sa "Okay, ito yung mga need mo, ito mga kailangan mo," gano'n, gano'n. Parang, someone telling me that this is what I needed, not me telling myself na, "Okay, this is what I need." Na parang they know. Alam mo yung they know? Sobra naiiyak ako. Hmm. Parang naiiyak tuloy ako ngayon, ha. Yeah, I just remember the moment I saw my brother, my mom.
As in, grabe talaga, iyakan kami sa sa lobby. Sobrang tagal ng hug lang namin kasi that's what I needed after like days, not just days, months actually. Months of, being in survival mode. And I'm so grateful I have a family na ganun, na parang to the rescue, even from afar, you know. Yeah. Do you guys have days na yung parang to wake up is like a great day na? Like, I'm not even there. I have days na parang I don't even have to think about, okay, I have to be best, do my best at school, I have to do my best at work. Parang for me, the best thing na as of the moment is to wake up and to function. Like, that's how, I was really in a survival mode. Na parang, like, there's so many days na parang I'm so ready for school na, pero hindi talaga ako makafunction. Like, wala, I end up just laying on the couch, not being able to get up. Like, so hard. Parang naman na magnet ako. Hindi, iba din yung parang, may mga days kasi na, like, na, lazy days. Pero iba yung parang hindi ka talaga maka-function. Like, I cannot get up. Like, ano, you're just drained. I even remember, nung summer, sabi ko pa, okay, after matapos yung school, I'll have more time, so I'm gonna do this, that. Sinabi ko na nga sa UMIAS mag-intern ako kasi I was really like, I really wanna do stuff. Like, you know, wanna keep doing. But yeah, I'm just in my super duper burnt out moment right now. Na parang surviving is what I can think of. But yeah, it's crazy how yung ganito, no? When I was a kid, I used to be so excited growing up because, yeah, when you grow up, your knowledge expands. You grow up, you become an adult, but, yeah, life. Yeah, I hope for those people who are in survival mode right now, I hope, you know, there comes a time na you get to recharge, and by recharge, like, get all the help that you need for you to get out of that survival mode. Because it's hard and it's really nakaka-anxiety, nakaka-drain, nakakaubos ng lahat. Yeah, and especially for those who are scared to ask for help. Because like ako, I'm really, when I was in my, when I'm, because there are times na example, survival mode, pero kasi ako, as the strong, independent woman that I am, but I know I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, until when you come to a point where you just cannot, I don't know, even the fact of the idea of trying to survive and function is already hard for you. That's when you go into desperate mode and then you're forced to ask for help tuloy. But yeah, so ako, lucky for me, I have a family na when they knew that, I was asking for help, to the rescue agad sila. But like, yeah, I hope na you get to ask for help while you still can. And to be honest, before I always applaud myself for being, I'm strong, I'm independent, I can do this all by myself. But lately, but I just want to feel weak. I want to feel weak, and I want to just have someone to be strong for me. Like, I'm gonna feel na. Like, alam mo yun. It's, nakakapagod na maging strong all the time. I just want to be in my weak, ano, weak and just, yeah, yearn. Like, yeah, oh my god, I'm so sorry if this is such a depressive talk, but like, I'm just, yeah, just trying to vent out and, you know, letting my true I self talk. Because I mean, at least it's just me being honest and open that, ano ba yan? Ang ingay ng laba. Ingay na ng kapitbahay ko. But like, I know, that's just me talking about how things happen in life. It's not always nice. It's not always happy, even if your intentions are always for the good, for the positive times. But life happens, and I guess it's just a matter of um, trying to step up, getting back up, no matter how many times you've been down. Which is hard. It's really hard, like pulling yourself out from that dark, deep hole, and all, especially if you have to do it all by yourself. Oh my god, that's like a miracle or something, or that's like such a hard thing to do. That takes so much strength, and I hope sa mga taong na-experience yung ganun, I hope you guys feel seen with me sharing stuff like this right now, because I know stuff like these aren't always talked about. So if ever you get to relate with my talk right now, I hope I made you feel seen. And I want to say, I was thinking of saying it's okay, but I know it's not. I know it's not okay sometimes, but you know, it's not always gonna be like that. Yeah, yeah. Better days are coming, that's true. Yeah, yeah. I hope everybody, I know. I hope everybody, I just hope for everybody's wellness and light and strength. You know, I used to always tell myself, nah, snap out of it, disregard that negativity. But sometimes then when I try to snap out of it, it's just a temporary fix. That's why sometimes when I have to be sad, I really have to be sad. Like, parang, I don't know if it's meant to happen talaga na parang maybe this is really my phase, my life na ganito talaga yung cycle ko na, because especially for me, I try to stay positive all the time. But like the more I try to keep staying in that way, especially, I mean, not all the time, puro positive nangyayari sa buhay. So parang it's like I'm disregarding the negative, and then the more I keep telling myself positive, positive, positive lang, ganun, ganun, the more I disregard it until all of a sudden, next thing you know it, you're in a deep dark hole, and then you have to pull yourself out from that. I don't know if that's just me. I don't know if that's normal. I don't know if you guys have experienced it, but Yeah. Ewan ko din if baka denial lang ako na hindi, positive lang yan, okay lang yan. But yeah. Interesting, no? It's so interesting how the mind and body works. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I actually love the Inside Out movie. It's so the way that was made. It was very smart. Like wow, sabi yun nag-isip niyan. Like it's really meant to be na even if kasi 'di ba we want to be happy. Happiness is such a nice feeling, but there's really a reason why anger, sadness, confusion, disgust, or like, yung ibang emotions are there because they're all a part of you. That movie made me feel so seen, and I feel like it had made a lot of people feel seen and heard. That's so smart of them to have that. Also, guys, I have to go in a bit. I hope, I hope you guys find, I hope you guys have love and light and, oh, yung kung magpakita, I look so horrible. I look horrible. You see me now, so that's it. Yeah, I hope na no. Oh my god, I am so sorry. I don't want this to be downer. I know. I know you guys, whenever you watch my cool live streams around this hours, parang laging mga kalog moments, laging mga hyper. But for this one, it's just, this is me, my unapologetic self right now. And I'd rather just talk what I feel and rather than hiding, the Aya that's, the Aya right now. Na parang, oh, it's fine, I'm good, I'm positive, ganun. Yeah. That's what I am with my Kumu live streams actually. Like, if happy ako. If hyper ako, ipakita ko hyper ako. If I'm sad, I'm sad. Yeah. Like, no need to hide it. No need to just always try to pretend I'm happy. Cause like that's part of me. That's me. This is me. And yeah, like it would only be harder for me to pretend who I'm not. So yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for tuning into my life. Thank you. Kasi sobrang late night na to, but you guys are still there. I pray for everybody's safety. I pray for everybody's strength. I pray that um if you're sad, I would normally say don't be sad. Just be happy. But now I realize that when you're sad, be sad and deeply feel it So that when you're sad and you've used up all your sadness, then that's when you get to shift to other emotions and you get to let your sadness rest. And then maybe when you're done with being sad, that's when you get to shift to being happy. Because, sadness needs to recuperate. Yeah, kailangan din magpahinga ni sadness because you've used it all up. And that's when happiness gets to take over the wheel. So, yun. Yeah. Alam nyo guys, yung mga Kumu live stream ko, parang ito na yung way of venting out and like, pahinga ko. Actually, nilook forward ko yung kailan ako makapag-Kumu kasi ito yung times na para I get to be me. Like, kasi minsan sa work, parang, not to be fake naman, but of course, kasi di ba 1 year, when you give a good show, you give a good energy, nakakahawa talaga siya. And, people go to concerts, go to performances to entertain themselves and to get that happy energy. And I feel like it would only be unfair if parang, you know, parang bad mood ako, ganon, or not the good energy. That's why in times na pag makapag-Kumu, I get to be me. I'm not in, I don't feel like it's work, to be honest. Kahit we are required to do Kumu, but I like it. So yeah, and I hope you guys like my Kumu contents. Maybe like for some it's a bit boring because it's just for talk. Like right now, I'm just even doing podcast type. But yeah. Anyways, I'll talk. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys rest well. Um, Good night, everybody. Pray lang talaga always. And that has been my, actually, my um, biggest comfort. Praying, talking it out loud, what I want to say to the Lord. Well, I mean, for me, at least that's what works. Ayan. Do you and always be kind to others. And that's it. I love you guys. Good night. Love you guys. Wait. Before I end, let's let's say a prayer. I just want to say a prayer. Lord, I hope everybody right now, especially the ones listening to my live and yung mga nakarelate sa mga pinagsasabi ko. Because I know if nakaka-relate sila, it means they also feel the same things, or in a way, kind of the same things with what I'm feeling right now. And I hope you guys are given strength to pull yourself out from that dark hole. And yeah, I hope your hearts and minds will be filled with love. That's it. All right, that's it. Good night, guys. I love you so much. Bye bye.